Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Are learning something new every day. Shall I come over there or are you comfortable with me right here? Okay, let me come over there. Friends, as you know, my name is Muhammad Nesar and you are watching this channel Muhammad Nesar itself. I had created this channel to enhance my communication as well as my friends, those who are striving to enhance their communication in their lives. So today in this video I will tell you that what is your mindset towards your grammar. Many of people think that if I am terrible in grammar then I can't speak English, but nothing is like that. Before moving further, I want to make a promise from your side that please give me the honest answer. Do you also feel that grammar is very important to speak English? Do you also realize that if you are not good enough at grammar, still you can speak English? Yes, friends, you heard me right. If you are not good at grammar, still you can communicate with your friends. Okay, so what are the steps that you can speak English without knowing grammar? Yes, without knowing grammar, you can speak English. If you think yourself that you are not good at grammar, then you can't speak, you can't utter a word to your friends, to your parents. So, what are the steps so that you can learn English without knowing grammar and you can speak English without knowing a single rule of grammar? As I ask you in the beginning of this video that do you also feel yourself grammar is very important for speaking English? Do you also realize yourself that you are not good at grammar so that you won't be able to speak English to your friends? Then nothing is like that, because what about children? They speak their native language without knowing grammar rule first. So in this video I will show you that how you can speak English without knowing grammar rules initially. This video has been broken down into 5 parts, okay, and each and every part is very important for you. If you are willing to enhance your communication, if you are watching my channel, it means you are willing to enhance your own quality. You want to speak English, okay? So this video has been broken down into 5 points and every point is very important. So watch this video completely till the end. If you skip a single point of this video, then this is not a good thing for you. So let's talk about our first point. Your first point is focus on communication, not perfection. Yes, you heard me right. We have to focus on communication. We don't have to focus on perfection. Many students, many people who knows English grammar but they can't speak English. They are unable to utter a single word. Do you know why? They know grammar, they know some important rules, that what is singular noun, third person, clauses, modals, everything, but they are unable to speak a single word. Do you know why? Because the problem is they keep translating, they keep thinking too much, and this is the problem. They are unable to speak English. And how can you say, my friends, that you are not good at your grammar? Are you lying yourself? You know grammar well. Okay, there is a question for you. Yeah, your answer is correct. Can is the correct answer. Okay, let's talk about second question. Yes, again your answer is correct. Are will be used here. Then how can you say that? Give me the honest answer. How can you say that your grammar is not good? You are a good person at your grammar, but the problem is you are not speaking, you are not opening your mouth, and that is why you are not getting habitual of speaking English. So this was your point number 1. We all have to focus on communication. We don't have to focus on perfection. The perfection will not come in our entire life. So this was your first point. Now let's talk about point number 2. Your point number 2 is learn small sentences, not rules. Yes, initially we have to learn small sentences, not we have to memorize rules. Have you ever seen a native speaker who speaks very smoothly, very naturally? How they can speak very naturally? Because they don't think that grammar is correct or not. They focus on speaking English. So you can also speak small sentences. They use ready-made sentences like I don't know, I have to go, I need some water, what happened, where are you going? I will catch you later, I will call you later. So these type of sentences they use in their daily conversation, so that you can also use these type of sentences. What you have to do first, you have to use these small sentences in your daily conversation, okay? And you have to use it repeatedly, again and again you have to use it. You will find yourself that day by day you are getting familiar of these sentences, okay? You will become a habitual of speaking English. So if you want to become a native speaker and you are willing to enhance your own communication, then this should be your accountability to use small sentences, okay? You don't have to focus initially grammar, not grammar. There are some small sentences so that you can use your daily conversation and you will feel yourself that you are improving yourself. Our third point is, and this point is very special for us, so our third point is, listening is more important than grammar. Yes friends, before speaking any language, what we do, we listen to it first. If I talk about our childhood, okay, if I talk about our childhood, we all were child some years ago, okay? Now we have grown up. So if I talk about myself, I come from Bihar and I know Bhojpuri well. So how did I learn this language? How did I learn this native language? Before speaking this language, I didn't know anything, but I heard it from my mother, from my father, from my surroundings, okay? So now I can speak Bhojpuri. Maybe you are from Jharkhand, you are from Karnataka, so you are good at your own native language. So how did you learn this language? Did you learn grammar first? No. So we are here to speak English. So how we can speak English? We have to listen to related this type of content. So you can watch English videos, podcast, and movies on YouTube channel, so that you can enhance your communication in very short time. And what you have to observe while watching the videos on YouTube, you have to observe pronunciation. If you are following any particular native speaker, then you will not watch cinematic views. You have to observe yourself that what is the way he is pronunciation any word. You have to watch pronunciation of each word and you have to copy it. If a native speaker who is speaking very well, and if he is saying I don't know, in simple way we will say I don't know, but they will say I don't know. So what you have to do, first of all, pause the video and just repeat it. You have to copy your native speaker whom you are following on YouTube. So you have to follow your native speaker. This will enhance your pronunciation as well as your repetition, okay? And you have to repeat these sentences loudly, okay? First of all, listen any video on YouTube, watch this video, okay, and sentences, and you have to repeat it loudly, maybe in your room, maybe in your fields, maybe in your playground. So anywhere you can use this type of sentences loudly, so that you will be familiar with pronunciation, with repetition. Let's talk about point number 4, think in English. Yes, this is the biggest problem that we always face, this kind of problem. Think in English, not in Hindi. Many of us, what we do, first of all, we think in Hindi, okay, and we translate into English, but this is not the way to speak English. So what will happen if you think in Hindi first and after that we are moving on translation? So this will create a fear in our mind and the process of speaking English will be slow down. So we don't have to think in Hindi first, always we have to think in English. If I talk about what can you see here, and what can you see by watching my posture, I am wearing a red t-shirt, okay, there is a wristwatch and the color of this watch is what? Black. So think in English, train your mind to think in English, not in Hindi. So if you are feeling yourself thirsty, then what will you say? You will say yourself, I need some water. If you are going to school, then say I am going to school. I'm going to school. If you are feeling yourself to eat something, then what will you say? I am hungry right now. I am hungry right now. So these type of sentences you can use or in your daily conversation, and all things should be in English. So always think in English, not in Hindi. If you translate these sentences, then the process of speaking of yours will be slowed down, and this will create a fear in your mind. So you don't have to do translation. You always have to think in English. Okay, initially it will be not done. Okay, it will take some time, but after some days you will find yourself that you have become familiar of this process. Now let's talk about point number 5, and this is very special for you as well as for me. Speak without fear. Yes, you heard me right. Speak without fear. Now I am here to speak without fear. I don't have any hesitation. If I am making mistakes, does not matter. Every person who has been sent in this world by the God is a human being. We are not machines, we are not AI, we are not robotics, so we can make mistakes. So what is there to be scared? If I am making mistakes, so I am happy with it, and I don't have any confusion that I have to improve myself. So always remember, fluency comes from speaking. What I'm saying, just you have to keep in your mind. Always remember, fluency comes from speaking, not from memorizing books. If you are memorizing lots of grammar rules, lots of sentences, and if you are not using it in your speaking, then you won't be speak a single word in your entire life. So I'm sorry to say you, I'm not here to demoralize your hard work. I appreciate your hard work. If you are a good worker, if you are working on your weaknesses, okay, if you are willing to enhance your communication, then I appreciate your hard work. So always you have to remember, fluency comes from speaking, not from memorizing lots of grammar rules and lots of memorizing books. So friends, don't wait for the perfection. You all have to speak. Okay, so start speaking with a simple steps. Always use small sentences in your daily conversation so that you can learn English in very short time. Every person of this world, okay, is willing to enhance their own quality. So you are the one who is here to enhance your own communication. Then please work hard in your silence and let the success be your noise. Now you immediately tell me, what is there who is stopping you from becoming a good speaker? Is it your grammar fear, or is it a lack of confidence? Okay friends, that's all. It's all for today. I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you find this video is very helpful for you, then please share this video to those who are willing to enhance their communication and they are thinking that if I am good at grammar, then I will start my speaking journey. Hats off. I will catch you later in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep moving forward.